Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TTPH. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, just get rid of this line up here. Sure, that level still pertains, just not really relevant right now from a presentation standpoint. I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines all over the place. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible going forward. First update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance, and we had a big point of confirmation with that. So during the first 30 minutes, pretty crazy movement. I mean, the price shot all the way up there and then got destroyed all the way back. And when I say all the way back, relative to what? Well, relative to that 335 mark, price fell back below 35, and then you can see that next 30-minute candle, price tried to make a move back upwards, but surprise, surprise, you can see right where it was rejected there at 335, which brings about confirmation that, yeah, before there's any talk about, getting up above 350 or higher again, that first key way that the price needs to prove itself, again, quote unquote, prove itself, being defined as getting up above and staying up above 335. As far as levels of support are concerned, a very well mapped out level now, which sits right here at the $2.90 mark. If you could just go back through the history of the chart. So from today, yeah, multiple times the price got right around that area and it did hold strong. And then you factor in back there on Thursday. So you can see a lot of history, a lot of data points right down there showing that whenever the price has gotten to 290, it has indeed held as support. So that's certainly going to be a very important level going forward. But yeah, overall, very, very rough day, especially when you stop and think that people are buying up around there. But that's just looking at things from one single day. Taking a step back and looking at multiple days, the price does still have the opportunity to chip away and build a higher base, right? I mean, if that can hold as a set of lows, then you'd have some lows right there. You'd have these lows down there. And if you look at those as stair steps. So big picture-wise, there is still an opportunity to continue to build upon the overall trend. So let's see what happens with it next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.